Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a wise Zen master known far and wide for his profound wisdom and gentle demeanor. People from distant lands would travel to seek his guidance and enlightenment. One sunny morning, as the soft breeze rustled through the leaves and the birds chirped their sweet melodies, a young girl wandered into the Zen master's humble abode. She had heard tales of his wisdom and felt drawn to seek his counsel. The Zen master welcomed her with a warm smile, his eyes reflecting the depth of his inner peace. Sensing the innocence and curiosity in her gaze, he invited her to sit beside him beneath a towering oak tree. "Master," the girl began, her voice soft like the gentle breeze, "I am lost and confused. I seek guidance on my journey through life." The Zen master nodded, his gaze unwavering. "Tell me, child, what burdens weigh heavy on your heart?" With a sigh, the girl poured out her worries and fears, her dreams and aspirations, like a river flowing freely from her soul. She spoke of the pressures of society, the expectations of others, and the uncertainties of the future. The Zen master listened intently, his heart overflowing with compassion. And then, with a serene smile, he began to weave a tapestry of wisdom with his words. "Life, dear one, is like the whispering wind," he said, his voice soothing like a lullaby. "It dances through the trees, caresses the earth, and carries the songs of the birds. Just as the wind flows effortlessly, so too must you learn to flow with the rhythm of life." He spoke of the importance of presence, of being fully immersed in the beauty of each moment. "Yesterday is but a memory, and tomorrow is but a dream," he whispered. "All we ever truly have is this present moment." The girl listened with rapt attention, her heart drinking in the wisdom of the Zen master like a thirsty flower receiving nourishing rain. "Remember, my dear child," the Zen master continued, "that true happiness lies not in the pursuit of external desires, but in the cultivation of inner peace and contentment. The secret to a fulfilling life is to cherish what you have, rather than yearning for what you lack." He shared stories of ancient sages and humble monks, whose lives were a testament to the power of simplicity and compassion. "In the depths of simplicity, one finds richness beyond measure," he said, his words echoing in the stillness of the forest. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of orange and gold across the sky, the girl felt a profound sense of clarity wash over her like a cleansing tide. In the presence of the Zen master, she had found the answers she sought. With a grateful heart, she bowed deeply to the wise old man, her eyes shining with newfound understanding. And as she walked back towards the village, she carried with her the timeless teachings of the whispering wind, guiding her on her journey through life. And so, dear friends, let us remember the wisdom of the Zen master and the young girl, and let us strive to live each moment with presence, simplicity, and compassion. For in the stillness of our hearts, we shall find the true essence of life's beauty, like the gentle whisper of the wind. This is God of Motive. Thanks for watching and stay focused.